Senda Morro Azul. You have so much history. What's up, my people? Here we are one more time here in Iracemápolis, this beautiful city. It's small but beautiful because it's surrounded with so much nature. And we're stopped here in this place. Noah, me eating some stuff, right? What you eat? And we are on our way to show you this awesome castle, or it's a Casa de Don Pedro. That's the name here, and people calling it. Here to buy some stuff on this place with the name Sabores do Rosa. Espeto do frango. This is so good. Look at Noah. Noah eating that. ¿Cuál es su nombre, señora?
Marlene.
Marlene, you heard that, guys? You can find anything. Look at that. We got wines. We got all the things you need, you know, to provide, just to pick up and go to the road with Fabio Jr. Fabio, saludo para a galera aqui. É o meu guia hoje. Paraíso Aventura. É isso correto, Fábio? Eu falei bom? Ok, galera.
Tchau, galera. Bom dia.
Bom dia, galera.
Bom dia.
Seu. Gente, we are about to review with the drone and details about this place of Casa de Don Pedro. They have so much history and beauty that you guys have to see. All right, folks, stay with us, guys.
Stay with us, guys. Get the bam.
Right, don't go away.
Don't go away.
Okay, people, I hope you like the whole shot, the review of the place. No, I want to say something.
I'm not doing it.
You usually can come in car, bike, motorbike, walking, jogging. It's like because it's coronavirus and the pandemia, everything is shut down. So it's closed right now. Just subscribe to my channel, guys. And I'm very thankful for all of you guys and you subscribing, especially this guy, Fabio Jr. Big hug, love for everyone.